All right, the most popular method for factoring trinomials that have an a term leading coefficient that's not 1 is the guess and check method. So what it is you have to guess using the factors of both the last, that's our C term, and sometimes our first term, the A, the coefficient of the first term. So we're using those factors of the last number, C, and the first coefficient, A, in our guesses. All right, and then we're going to check them. When we build our binomials, we're going to check them by using our double rainbow check. We're checking the middle term. Checking the middle term as we set up our binomials. Okay, don't forget we have a method for that. That's the double rainbow. All right, we've done a couple where our lead coefficient, the A, the number next to x squared, has been a nice prime number, like 3, 5, 7, 2. Those all would have one way to make it, but now 4x squared has two different pairs to make it. Okay, let's list those pairs. So I'm looking at 4x squared. I can make 4x squared by multiplying 2x times 2x. I could also make it by multiplying 4x times 1x. All right, I just switched the colors so we don't get confused what factors go where. So I'm going to use the magenta there for the front factors, the A factors. All right, and let's go ahead and talk about the factors of our last term, the C term here, negative 15. Negative 15 can be made a couple different ways. We probably know that 3 times 5 is 15, but we need to make one of those negative. All right, make it negative 3, and then we can just move the sign for the other pair. So it'd be positive 3 and negative 5. There are a few more pairs here. There are 1 times 15, let's make it negative 15, or negative 1 times positive 15. Those are all the numbers that make negative 15. All right, now we're going to set up our binomials. Remember, a trinomial will always turn into two binomials multiplying. All right, so there's our two binomials. With guess and check, I've heard this, I think it's pretty true. You want to start with the pairs of your factors that are closest to each other. So looking at the A factors here, 2x and 2x, 4x and 1x. Okay, 2x, they're the same thing. Let's start with 2x for our first terms in our binomials. So put a 2x in this one, a 2x over there. All right, now we're going to play our guessing game with the factors of negative 15 over here. We're going to choose any pair from this list to put in to our binomials, and then we're going to do our double rainbow check to see if we got the middle term correctly. All right, let's just go straight down the list here. Negative 3 and 5. So I'm going to put, let me get the right color. There we go. Negative 3, so minus 3 on the first one, and then plus 5 in the second one. I have no idea if it works until I do my double rainbow check. So we're going to multiply the inside terms here. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. And the outside terms, 2x times 5. That's going to give me 10x. Add them together, and we're going to see we get positive 4x. That's not what we have, though. We have negative 4x in the middle. Not too bad. We should now notice all we need to do is just swap the signs. Make this a plus 3 and this a minus 5. Let's go ahead and scroll down and do that. All right, let's put it right next to Vader's face. All right, so let's rewrite this. Now, again, fill out the binomials with 2x and 2x to make 4x squared in the first term. And now we're swapping the signs from our first guess here. So instead of minus 3, we'll put plus 3 there. And we'll put minus 5 in the second one. And we must always check to see if our factors work. 3 times 2x is 6x. And then the outside ones here, 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. And now we're going to add up to negative 4x is what we have in the middle of our original trinomial. So that's our answer. Let's go ahead and rewrite it without all that stuff around it. 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 5. If you multiply that out, it is equivalent to our original trinomial up here. We just factored it into this form. May the math be with you.